Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another hair video. So we are putting on a wig. You guys already know this. We're going in with our wig cap because I can't braid. So who's gonna braid my hair? Nobody. So wig cap it is. But today's video is going to be featuring this wig from Hermosa hair. These are all the contents that come in the package as well as the wig. This is a 360 lace front wig. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, and I have the water wave texture in 26 inches. So this is the hair after it's been washed and worn a little bit. I want you guys to see what it looks like freshly washed. I'm showing you guys the invisible straps that these wigs come with now so that you can tighten the wig to your liking. So it's more of like a custom fit now. I'm just using hairspray to tack the wig down because you guys, we're all glueless over here. You ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like one. Then I'm just kind of combing out some of the hair that got stuck under that hairspray and taming my edges down because that is very important when you have edges like mine. You need to leave like your natural edge out. But yeah, that's basically it. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? Okay, so I'm gonna leave out 2 pieces in the front because I want to pull this hair up so you guys can see how versatile the 360 is, since you can put it in a high ponytail if you would like. So I'm gonna do a little 1-2 styling. Just keep watching. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be Okay, and here's the wig from the back, so you can see you don't see no weird funny cap. It's just all lace back there in my not so straight kitchen. But this is what it looks like all the way around. Love that. I'm just gonna throw a bow on this to make it real cute and girly. And then I'm just going in with my curling wand to curl these front pieces because they are a little frizzy and I just want the look to be kind of clean. And I'm not leaving it on the hair for too long because I don't want the textures to look different. I just kind of want to reunify the natural waves of the hair.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know.
So here is the finished look, a cute little 360, so you can see how it is all the way around. I'll be sure to list all of Hermosa's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link for the unit that I'm wearing, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.